This curl product is taking over the internet. I'm sure you've seen it, but I've got some thoughts, so stay with me. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I do my curly hair, natural hair look with the famous Dream Coat for Curly Hair by Color Wow. This is just the routine that I think works best. So I'm going to take some vitamin E oil and some tea tree oil, and I'm going to do a little mixture, and then I'm going to rub it all through my hair before I wash. So all through the ends and everywhere else that you have a lot of frizz. This is really going to help you create those beautiful, like luscious, healthy looking locks that you see on so many beautiful curly haired girls. I found that you need to oil your hair before washing it. So I'm just going to put it all through the ends and the back piece. If you can help it, try not to skip this step because I find that this is a crucial step to avoid all that frizz. And then you're just going to rinse it. I go in with my Deva Curl Heights cleanser and conditioner. I love this stuff. I'm going to get it nice and foamy and just apply the shampoo through my roots. And then as I rinse it off, it'll go through my ends, so it'll clean your hair thoroughly. Don't worry. And after that's all rinsed off, I'm going to go in with the conditioner and just put a little bit on. It'll do the job. I put it through all of my ends and the back pieces of my hair where frizz is most prevalent. You're going to want to soak it, okay? Your hair is not going to be greasy. It's going to be luscious and beautiful. So I just leave it on for about 15 minutes. I try to while I do other things, and then rinse. Now I'm just going to lock it up with a clip. Don't even dry it. You can squeeze some of the water out, but don't dry your hair, okay? Never ever use a towel either, not even a microfiber. We want your hair pretty wet for these results. So I'm going to take my hair out the clip, and as you can see, it's pretty shiny, pretty wet. I'm going to take my famous wet brush. It's not famous, but it's famous to me. I've had it for years. I should probably replace it. But I'm going to brush my hair thoroughly, getting all the knots out, and then I'm also going to take the time to part my hair here to look how I kind of want it to look when it dries. And then I'm going to kind of separate my hair, so you see me running my fingers through it and just kind of combing it out as I'm shaking it to get those curls kind of working already and waking up. Sometimes I also use the brush to shape some curls in my hair how I want them to look. Yeah, you can do that. Just kind of, brush it through with your fingers, get it looking nice and separated individual locks. Now I'm going to take my favorite heat protectant and the famous Color Wow Dream Coat for curly hair, and I'm just going to spray it everywhere. It's same with the thermal spray. Don't forget this step because you are going to use a diffuser if you're following this tutorial and you want to protect your hair at all costs. So be sure to do that. Now, yeah, I saw a bunch of tutorials on this, and people doused their hair with this stuff. They said it wastes very quickly because of this. So I did the same thing. I said, why not? I'm going to do it how they did it. So I put it everywhere, every strand. Just use your instinct. You can kind of feel when your hair is getting a little bit heavier because of the product. And yeah, just make sure it's nice and wet and it's in every strand. And then I'm also going to take a brush and shape some of the pieces as well as I'm scrunching it. Here's me doing that. You make it how you want it. You can see how thin my hair is. See, you can see the back of it. But this tutorial really makes your hair voluminous and beautiful. But the diffuser is key. So you're gonna buy any diffuser head, whatever's compatible with your blow dryer, and you're going to put on the highest heat setting and the highest blow setting. And I'm going to start it like this. So this is crucial for no frizz. So you want to not dry your hair completely like this because then you won't have any body, right? You just want to dry it a little bit, create like a nice protective coat of, a little bit of drier hair on the top where your frizz is, just like this, straight to your head. And then I'm going to go in and just cup it with my hand and with the diffuser and let my hair dry that way just until it's like semi getting dry, and then I'm gonna flip it. Here's me just cupping it, and you can see those curls are really coming together already. And I'm just gonna keep flipping it. It's going to be a bit of a nightmare, and your hands are going to get a good workout because you have to continuously flip it before it all gets dry on one side. You want it to get dry together evenly. So here I am flipping it and doing the roots, really making sure that's getting dry. But I flip my hair upside down because this does create the most volume. I mean, if you imagine it, your curls are kind of floating in the air. They're upside down away from your head, which is just going to create so much body as your hair dries. So I'm going to do this continuously over and over, just cupping, flipping to the side, flipping to the other side, and then flipping upside down. I'm going to do this over and over. I probably spend about 2 minutes on each side. 2 minutes from the side, 2 minutes from the other side, and then 2 minutes with it flipping over. And I just find that that makes it dry cohesively and all look like one nice big voluminous ball of curls. So As you can see, it's getting drier. It's getting drier. At this point, I'm just looking at my hair and kind of loving the way the curls are coming out. It looks like I have a hair full of mousse, but my hair is so soft. The more it dries, the softer it is. I've never, ever, ever had these results with a product that doesn't leave some sort of residue on my hair or my hair feeling just like I have stuff in it. Like if someone felt it, you would feel it. It'd either be hard or it would be kind of like oily and greasy. I can't really explain it. But this product, it really does what it says it does. It creates a really beautiful, almost dreamy like coat on your hair, and it just looks really nice. I mean, it really does. My only cons with this product are it doesn't really stick all the way. So, like, my hair will look like this probably for like 4 or 5 hours, and then by the end of the day, it's already looking frizzy, which I don't really understand. I don't get that. Maybe I need to seal it with an oil or something, which I don't do because it's already so hydrated looking, as you can tell. But yeah, that would be my only con with this product. The curls come out beautifully. It dries so soft, but it does not last, and your frizz does come back. And you also use a lot of product for, something that doesn't really last that long. So yeah, here's the final result. I go through and I kind of just break apart like the big chunks of curls, and that's about it, guys. I really, overall, I would say get this product. It might be a game changer for you. You might have different type of curls than me, but I do believe that for any curly hair, this is gonna make your hair look beautiful. It's a good product. No, this is not sponsored. I wish. Color Wow, sponsor me. But overall, like I said, it might be a game changer for you. So I would try the product. I mean, why not? What if this is your favorite product in the world and you just have no idea? It is going viral for a reason. It does make your curls look beautiful, but it just doesn't last for me at least. I become Miss Frizzy after 5 hours, and I'm just not a fan of that. I can get this look with other products. So I don't know. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. So feel free to share whatever your tips are for this product. But yeah, that's about it, guys. That is my review of Color Wow's Dream Coat for curly hair, and this is the results. You can also do like a little cute half up, half down. I use this a lot for that hairstyle. I just think it looks nice and cute. And or you can do like the little Pamela Anderson vibe, with a little clip and leave your bangs out. Super cute too. If you guys get the dream coat, let me know what you think. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.